Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Very helpful video for any of you trying to find the engine computer, also known as ECU or ECM fuses and relays on Jeep Cherokee. Guys, we're talking about this generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, and also you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the engine computer, also known as ECU or ECM fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them. Hey guys, by the way, quick advice, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. What we need to do today, we need to open the hood, guys, and lucky for us, we're working a fuse box that's easily accessible. This is your engine, and here if you come now on the driver's side, here, that's the right side, the driver's side of the vehicle, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. What we, guys, need to check here specifically, let's talk about that. The first fuse, you may or may not have all of them depending on the year, model and engine. One of them is fuse number 7, we don't have that one. Fuse number 8 is very important fuse right here that you will, guys, need to check. Then you need to locate fuse number 13. That's a little bit hard to see, but here between the relays that you see a fuse, between these two relays, that will be fuse number 13 right here. After that, guys, we will recommend to check fuse number 16 right there. Okay, that's for the ignition, specifically ignition coils and spark plugs. Next one, we need to check fuse number 30, guys. Fuse number 30 will be this double micro 3-blade fuse. This is a double fuse right here that you need to check. Next, we need to locate fuse number 59. This is that fuse right here. After that, we need to locate fuse number 83. 83 will be this fuse that you see right here, the blue one. Next, relays, guys. We will need to check multiple relays. Some of those that we start will be, one of them, guys, will be relay 9. That one right here, K9. We need to check relay K10 right here. That's K10 right here. K11. Okay. Right here. You need to check, guys, relay 12 and 13. So those are the main components that you need to check for the engine computer, also known as powertrain control module on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.